Hello, this is Berzinsky for Beardbrand Alliance. I'm here in the beautiful Dominican Republic and talk to you about traveling and what I carry in my DOP kit. Stay tuned. In travel mode, doing a little January vacation for a destination wedding. And so I'm traveling by checking my luggage, and so everything that's in my bag probably is okay for carry-on, but mostly I'm not so concerned about it, so I'm carrying scissors. I'll show you what else is in here. I start with my bag. I love the look of some of the leather bags that you can get, but I actually prefer carrying this silicone bag. This is from Toiletries, the Colby travel bag. It is water and leak resistant, and so if you have anything that spills within this bag, it's generally not coming out. And so also then this is great to have near the shower, so you don't have to worry about your bag getting wet. So if this is on the vanity or in the shower, you don't have to worry about it. Highly recommend this. This is from Toiletries. So in my travel bag, generally I try to fit everything in here. There are times when if I'm carrying hairspray, and sometimes I do that, that'll just be in a plastic sealed Ziploc bag that I can carry. This is in no particular order. I'll show you a pan of these products that are grouped by category, and that would be hygiene, hair care, just general body stuff, and dental. So all of this fits in this bag, and it's remarkable what fits in this little bag. Generally, I have products for hairstyling. So I carry some Got to Be Glued, that goes in my hair. I'm always having my sea salt spray. That's my go-to when I'm traveling. And my styling balm. So styling balm is good for my beard as well as for my hair. So that's basically hair styling. I am going to carry a round brush for beard styling, excuse the hair. There's always I'm going to say 95% of the time there's a hair dryer, so I don't have to travel with that. Carry a big comb for my hair and a small comb for my beard. And I'm going to have some mustache wax for work on my beard, on my mustache. I do travel with the utility bar, and I use the box, and I actually keep it in the wrapper. And so once I'm done washing my beard, my hair, my body with the utility bar, I will dry it off with a towel, and I'll put it back in the plastic wrapper and put it back in the box. I'm actually searching for a soap container for travel that I can put the round bar in. I actually like the size of the round bar, but that's something I'm working on, and that's why I travel with the box on that one. Once I wash, I will use the beard softener a bit in my hair and a tiny bit in the front of my hair or on the ends of my hair. So we talk about co-washing. There is a product from Beardbrand that would have the hair conditioner. I just use a little bit so I don't have to carry a multitude of different products when I'm traveling. What also is in here, of course, I do not go anywhere without deodorant, and honestly, this is the best stuff. The charcoal Dove men's. So if you got a stank problem, check this out. A lot of guys don't wear deodorant, are concerned about aluminum in deodorant. I guess I'm not, because I stink, so I'm wearing deodorant. Back to hair, this is something I will carry. It is a dry shampoo, and I can use the sea salt spray as a dry shampoo. Sometimes I will just freshen my hair with a dry shampoo, even like when I come back from the beach, I don't wash my hair before I go out. So that's something I will carry also. And the rest of this is just general stuff. Carry the small Beardbrand brush. This is great for my eyebrows and my beard and my mustache. I love the small brush. I am traveling also product, and I'm going to do a tutorial on this from Volt. This is some temporary, last 48-hour water-resistant hair color that I'm using in my eyebrows. You can see back that I've done videos on my dyeing my one eyebrow and a little of this in my mustache. Love this product, and that's something that comes in handy actually with the Beardbrand brush, which I'll show you in a future video. Since I'm checking my luggage, I will be carrying scissors with me, and this is just for It's not only for general touch-up. I try to do nose hair, eyebrow grooming, mustache grooming, anything before I leave. So you can see I don't have my tweezers with me. I try to get that stuff done. The scissors come in handy also. I just cut a security tag off my bag. Try not to do that with my scissors, but they're here in case I need them. I'm always traveling with a pair of scissors when checking my luggage. So what else is in my bag? Some things related to hair care. I have a comb, so if I'm washing my face or washing my beard, I'll hold my hair up with a comb. Same thing with a bobby pin. So weird things to have, but when you have long hair, those are important to have. Also carry a ponytail, Gumby ponytail elastic to put my hair into a ponytail if I need to. I'm traveling with a razor. I'm only bringing one blade, so I don't have to bring a cartridge on a 4-day trip or even a week trip. The blade will stay fresh. This is just for touching up my cheeks. Generally, if I'm going out to dinner, say 2 or 3 days into the trip, I will touch up my cheeks with a razor. What else is here is dental related. I do have a cover on this, it just fell off. But I'm going to have my toothbrush, toothpaste, floss. I wear a night guard and I travel with that. And then also, I guess this is related to hair care, also in showering. And the last thing I travel with is a travel size of a cologne, in this case Yves Saint Laurent. And I'm always going to travel with that. So remarkably, all of these products fit into a bag. So I'm always curious to see what other guys travel with. Guys say they travel light. And yeah, I could just use hotel shampoo, use the hair dryer in the hotel, maybe just get away with deodorant and a brush. Yes, you can travel much lighter, but this pretty much is what I would use on a day-to-day basis at home, and it's fitting into a fairly reasonably sized DOP kit. So once again, no reason not to take the products if it's not compromising what I can take in the rest of my luggage. This doesn't show like if I'm taking jewelry, taking watches. There are things that I take because I'm traveling usually with my wife. She will be having things that I don't take. For example, an aspirin or a sewing kit. She has all that stuff. But honestly, I'm probably not using that stuff when I'm traveling alone on my own. I just don't think about it typically. So once again, the variety of products that I'm traveling with, that I travel with in my DOP kit. This would be different if I was traveling doing a carry-on bag. I would probably not be taking this, but I think and maybe not the aerosol, but I think everything else would fit into a travel bag. I might be traveling lighter if that's the case though, because limited space. Like I said before, I checked my luggage because we're going to a wedding here. I had 2 sports coats, 3 pairs of shoes, shoes for the wedding, as well as sneakers, as well as sandals. And so it just would not fit into the carry-on situation. But that's it. This is what I'm carrying when I travel in my trusty DOP kit. Comment below and tell us what you travel with, and if you think this is a lot of product, or if you think this is the right amount to travel with. Looking forward to reading your comments, and as always,
All right, stop. Before you head over to the next video, let me tell you about the Alliance. It's for men who are passionate about self-improvement, about becoming a better version of themselves, and about that mission of ours to keep on growing. Come join us over there and find like-minded individuals who will push you to the next level and hold you accountable to what you say you're going to do.